Hello, and I'm at Elstow on the Midland Mainline, located between Flitwick and Bedford. Today we'll be seeing services by East Midlands Railway, Thameslink, and hopefully some freight as well. So, let's spot some trains. Here is an East Midlands Railway Class 222. 22023 from London St Pancras International to Sheffield. The next train to pass by is the Thameslink Class 700 from Three Bridges to Bedford. 700-139. The next train to pass by is going to be a Thameslink Class 700 from Bedford to London Blackfriars. 700-111. With quite a bit of graffiti on it. And the next train to pass by is an East Midlands Railway Class 222 from Sheffield to London St Pancras International. 22012 and 22010 was actually a pair. The next train to pass by is an East Midlands Railway Class 222. 22007 from London St Pancras International to Nottingham. The next train to pass by is going to be a Thameslink Class 700 from London Blackfriars to Bedford. 700-131. The next train to pass by is an East Midlands Railway Class 222 from Corby to London St Pancras International. Slowly accelerating after leaving Bedford is 22015. The next train to pass by is going to be a Thameslink Class 700 from Bedford to Three Bridges. 700-139. Here is an East Midlands Railway Class 222. 22017 from London St Pancras International to Corby. And following after is a Thameslink Class 700 from Three Bridges to Bedford. 700-101. The next train to pass by is going to be a Thameslink Class 700 from Bedford to London Blackfriars. 700-131. The next train to pass by is an East Midlands Railway Class 222 from Nottingham to London St Pancras International. 22020 and 22021. The next train to pass by is going to be a Thameslink Class 700 from London Blackfriars to Bedford. 700,045. The next train to pass by is going to be a Thameslink Class 700 from Bedford to Three Bridges. 700,101. The next train to pass by is an East Midlands Railway HST. (43,316) and (43,306) from London St Pancras International to Leeds. The next train to pass by is going to be a Thameslink Class 700 from Three Bridges to Bedford. 700,136. And that will be the final train of the video. So if you did enjoy, please make sure to like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment if you wish, and I'll try to respond to it. And join my Discord server if you want to talk to me and my fans. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.